Raymond Live. Welcome to another episode where today we're taking a site walkthrough of Unix South Pattaya, which is well underway. Construction due for completion at the end of 2015. Now if you visit the site, you'll see a lot of the landscaping elements, including around the car parking, already complete. The ground floor facilities well underway, including the swimming pool, Patong court, really taking shape. On the 6th floor you'll find our great facilities, including swimming pool and gym. And inside, the studios, 1 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms, will be fitted out in a similar style to what you see with the show suite. Of course, one of the real reasons to buy at Unix South Pattaya are the great views, whether you get a view of the mountains, a view of the Jomtien Bay, or a view of Pattaya Bay. And the Sky Gardens give every resident the opportunity to gaze across the cityscape. So for those of you considering a great resort weekend getaway, put Unix top on your list. Come check us out. South Pattaya, Raymond Live.